All right, what is happening? Today I want to talk about how to make your life a masterpiece, something that you're proud of, something that you look at and just go, wow, like I can't believe this is my life. All right, so I learned two different approaches, one from the founder of Mindvalley, Vishen Lakhiani, and also the husband and wife, John Butcher and Mr. Butcher as well. And they've got something called Life Book. And they both talk about the 12 areas of life, such as, love relationships, personal relationships, intellectual life, social life, and all this sort of stuff, health, family life. And I think in order to have an amazing life, you really have to design it and really get very clear about what is it that you want in each area. And you build each area one at a time. And after a year or several years, you'll have this life that you won't even recognize. And that's what I've been able to do. I used to be single. I used to I have a lot of things that I wasn't happy with, and it wasn't until I started to really get very clear about what is it I want and started going after it that I started to get the things that I actually wanted. And that's exactly what you need to do in your life. If you are not happy with an area in your life, it could be your health, it could be your relationship, it could be your love life or whatever, it could be your home or anything. You need to look at, okay, right, where am I? For example, if you want a new job, you really have to look at, okay, why am I not happy with my job at the moment, and what kind of job would I be happy with? And the shortest distance between 2 points is a straight line. You first need to know where you're starting, and you also need to need to know where you're going. And then you spend time, taking the steps to move from where you are to where you want to go. And you do that with every area of life. You do that with relationships. You do that with your job, with your career. You do that with your social life. You do that with your health and nutrition. And after a period of time, however long it could be, you will look at your life and you will have a masterpiece. And that's really how you do it. It starts with being very intentional and start designing the things designing the life that you want to have. Be the architect, the engineer, the designer of your life, and then go after the things that you want with obsession and go after it with hunger and chase it and do it and take the steps that you need to take and learn from people that have already achieved those things. Learn from people that have the results that you want. And it's I guess the best feeling ever is to wake up and go, oh my God, I can't believe this is my life. And it feels amazing to be in awe of your life, of your own life, and I certainly feel that way with my life at the moment. And I constantly set bigger goals. I constantly move the goals further away to challenge myself and to so that I have a sense of direction. But if you look at me now and you look at me 5 years ago and 10 years ago, I'm a completely different person. I used to be very on edge. I used to be very easily triggered. And with all the things that I have experienced, it's allowed me to really just be a lot more calm, a lot more chilled. And now I see what's important. I see what I should give my energy to, and I see what I should just completely ignore. In the past, I would just give my energy to everything. I would just react to everything. And I'm very happy, I have to say, I'm very happy with the life that I've created using the principles that I've just shared with you in this video. All right, guys, as always, comment any questions below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Please share it with someone else that you think would benefit from it. And if you don't want to miss future videos, turn on that notification bell. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later.